afternoon. This is how to reset service reminder of TB Silverado 2022 model. First is you need to start the engine. Yep. And then press this all button side by side and up and down, and then center. Click this one to erase that one, and then move to that one, information, and then press this one up. Yep, that one, until you see the oil light. To reset, just press this middle button, and then are you sure you want to reset? Yes, this one, press this one, the side, and then press the center. See, it's 100%. All goods. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.